Hello everyone, Kitty Cat Craft Studio here, and today, right now, I am at the New Year's party, and really, 2019, it just doesn't feel like 2019. I'm just blown. I know it's January 6th already. It still feels like New Year's. I guess it was 6 days ago or 5 days ago. So basically school week ago, even though it's a Sunday. But anyway, today I'm with Now We Are Pandas, and as you can see, I changed my location because this is like an hour after I made the intro because I had to do a bunch of stuff before I could continue. So now I'm in my friend Now Your Panda's den. Well, yeah. And so today, wait, I already said that. Anyway, my head just hit a lamp. Anyway, so today I'm going to go in, actually, I have a friend called Katybug 9037, and they have, load, okay. They have a thing called the sheep headquarters. And they seem to be, quote-unquote, hiring people. And so I was thinking I wanted to try that out. And so it says, "Welcome to sheep headquarters. Red Boy owns part of the place. Shepherd Sheep does too. We need some workers. So, want to help? Try to keep out strangers unless they say they're workers. Don't want to keep the fire alarm going off again. Safety first, go upstairs to the attic and put your confetti suit on so nothing will harm you, such as these bad guys. Phantoms, Evil Sonic, Misty Mouse, and Snickety Snatch is the ghost. Be careful, they won't hurt you in your confetti suit. Well, hope you're safe on the job. See you when your shift is over. Bye." Okay, so this sounds pretty interesting. So I'm gonna head right ahead. Wait, I said head twice. The guilt. Okay, so we've gotten to Katybug 9037's den. I am going to work. So, all right. Now I'm just gonna ask, can I work here? See how this works, and get into it. I just love that mustache. Okay, so turns out Katybug is recording on their Nintendo, which is pretty cool. What? Okay. Anyway, I want to see how I do this. So, how do I do this? Okay, so I'm gonna explore the den, and yeah. Oh, I'm not allowed to be on for 1 hour. Okay, since I don't have an hour on here, we agreed on 10 minutes. So, I am really excited to see how this works. So, now they're gonna tell us. No, we just wait. We're waiting. We're gonna explore now. Oh, wait, quickly, need to. Nice cow. That's really cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna explore. Oh, yes, I love this. Alright, so this is sheep headquarters. and I have absolutely no idea where. Okay, wait. What? Okay. Alright. So, I'll tell you what's happening when I learn it. I lied. Oh, wait, I didn't read it. Wait. Alright. So, get confetti suit on. Wait, I have absolutely no idea. You have to keep it away from monsters, kind of like Fallout, Fazbear. Oh, yeah. Oh, like the Five Nights at Freddy's horror game. Okay, I totally get that. Just gonna quickly tell him. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, going up to the attic. This is pretty creepy, except the music is not. How do I get a confetti suit on? I don't understand. I really just don't. Okay, so they told me jump in the confetti. Trying to press this. I don't think this is working. Yeah, okay, so I think I have it on now. Okay, wait. Oops, ooh. Okay, so I gotta see what I do next. Alright, so I think I sort of get this. So this is sort of like an animatronics office. Sort of. Okay, so I'm just really wondering what I do next. This is pretty cool, especially because it's in in the Haunted Mansion from Halloween. Okay, now I'm supposed to be tiptoeing down the stairs with a imaginary flashlight, so should I like keep going? Okay. Oh, down here. Okay. Okay, now they said carefully go to office to start shift. I don't think this looks very careful, but still. This is a very strange looking office. I hear knocking on the door. It sounds like there's a monster. Just waiting for this monster to like. What's gonna? Oh my god. I think I should run. I am now hiding, but I want to see what happens. My god, it's coming closer to the door. It's a huge hyena monster. Okay, I see the hyena monster. Right there. Okay. Alright, I need to run fast. Ah! My god, that was scary. Whew. Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to go. I'm gonna just go hide in the confetti. Hiding. Okay, now just. Oh, God, gotta get past. Good, didn't get me. Oh my god. Right. The hyena monster is getting closer. Okay, slowly creeping forward. Alright. Don't chase me, please. Come on, get it. Alright. There is an otter animatronic right next to me. Oh no, there are tiny llama monsters down here. I am hiding in the attic. The hyena monster is chasing us. I don't know if this deer is looking at me or not. Okay. Just said animatronics are froze. Need fix. Just gonna say fixing. What do I do next? Oh no, the otter just appeared. Oh my god. This is creeping me out. The hyena just moved. I think they're at the start now. Whew. Oops. So close. Okay, I am now back in the office. Whew. Another round. Press button on. Just gonna write press, because that doesn't really make sense. Yeah. Alright, I am moving slowly. Oh, they're right there. Gonna hide in some confetti. Okay, I'm trying not to get caught. Oh, as the hyena moved. Wait. Ah! I don't want to go too close. Okay, I'm in the office again. I somehow pressed a button and the door opened. Yay. I have gotten 2 more minutes on the shift. Okay. I am ready to get moving. Let's go. I am not going near them. I'm just waiting for something to happen right here. Power is now down. Use flashlight to get to breaker room, the basement. Okay, up. Keep pressing. Okay. Gotta go to the basement. Wait, but the evil llama monsters, won't they hurt me? Hope not. I am just waiting for one of those huge plushy monsters to appear in front of me. Okay. They say power's now back on. Time to move up. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, I just got caught. Oh my god. God, that scared me. I need to go down the stairs, but... Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, quick, before they notice. I need to hide in the confetti. Oh. They're gone. Time to go down. Back to the basement. Oh, the shift is over. Wow, that was quick. I want to know, how did I do? Yay! I survived. Yes, I'm free. Okay, so that's really it for the video. I hoped you liked it. It was actually pretty fun to do that challenge. Please like and subscribe, and maybe click the notification bell. I know I only have 36 subscribers, but it would be good if you did. So please do that, and have a good day. Bye.